Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. China and Hong Kong reopened after the Friday and holiday and equities rallied strongly. Japan, Taiwan, and South Korea advanced as well. However, India and Australia equities fell. Europe's Stoxx 600 is up around 0.9% to recoup its pre-weekend loss and more. US futures are broadly higher. The dollar is trading lower against all the major currencies. Sterling is the strongest with almost a 0.6% gain. The yen and Swiss franc are the weakest, rising about 0.1%. Turning to commodities, gold steadied after the pre-weekend reversal. It found support a little below $1,850. July WTI reached almost $121 for easing back below $120. Asian Pacific market. While Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda has persuasively argued that the rise in Japan's CPI, with the core reaching the target, will not spur a change in monetary policy, fiscal policy in play, Prime Minister Kishida offers a new form of capitalism. It seems like it is the traditional LDP-economics of easy monetary and fiscal policies with an emphasis on greater economic equality. The dollar held JPY 131 and is consolidating in about a half a yen below there. Support is seen in the 130.40 area. The RBA meets the first thing tomorrow in Canberra. After reversing lower after the US jobs data, the Australian dollar fell further today to a slightly below $0.7190 before finding a solid bid. Its recovery began in the middle of the Asia-Pacific sessions and carrying into the European morning, where it approached $0.7230. Market of Europe. The euro bottomed against the dollar on May 13. The same day, the swaps market slipped to price in 60 basis points of ECB rate increases through October. It has been trending higher and rose 13 basis points last week to a little more than 100 basis points. A similar force has seen the US 2-year premium over Germany narrow by 50 basis points over the past 2 months to approach 200 basis points. The euro is trading inside the pre-weekend trading range. Sterling is the strongest of the major currencies today, nearly recouping in full the roughly 0.7% pre-weekend decline. The gains appear to come as Prime Minister Johnson is expected to win the vote of confidence, which will take place later today. Market of America. The U.S. jobs data did not sway economic views. The 390,000 increase in non-farm payrolls was a little stronger than expected. However, the report was seen as sufficiently strong to keep the Fed on course. Tomorrow sees the U.S. trade balance and consumer credit. Canada also reports trade figures tomorrow, but the highlight is the employment report at the end of the week. The U.S. dollar settled last week on the session highs a little shy of CAD 1.26. It briefly poked above there today before sliding back. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.